What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Johnny here. Welcome back to another episode Exhaust Note channel. And yes, we're not in my car right now, as you guys might be able to tell behind me in the background. We're in the Honda. Had to borrow my dad's truck because we're going to get some work done to the 335, getting the little bit of install parts here. Stay tuned for that episode. We're going to have some parts installed on that car, but before they get installed, we're going to stop and check out my car, because I'm going to show you something that definitely was always recommended when you tune this car. And obviously I did the MH tune. If you watched my last video, I'll post that up in the corner there so you guys can check it out if you haven't had a chance to. And I think I pushed it too hard. I don't want to say I pushed it too hard, because I didn't really push the car. I was never really throttling out and revving it out or anything like that, but because I knew I shouldn't have done this. So as you guys will see here shortly, once I get to work, because that's where my car is, sitting in the parking lot, I'm going to show you guys the old mishap and what you should make sure you should always change before you tune these E93s with the MHD tune. Probably have to do the same thing if you use the JB4, which you guys would have seen. I also have that one. I haven't had it installed or anything, but I'm pretty sure if you use that one as well too, you're going to have to change this, because too much boost is definitely going to cause this problem. Well, there she is right next to me. Let's get out this car, open that car, pop that hood, and we are going to show you guys what's really happening with this thing. Pop this hood up. Let's see, reach down here, and then let's get under this hood, guys. The one part that everybody says fails for sure in these things. I'm glad we have some sunlight shining on this side. Let me see if you guys notice it. I don't know if the lighting is gonna fix. Hopefully this lighting fixes here. Let's see if I can throw some shadows in. Oh yeah, you see that right there? See, look at this, guys. Chargepipe. Chargepipe. Got a little piece popped. And also right here too. Look at this. That whole unit is just out. Good thing I ordered this, and I shouldn't have did the tune yet until I installed that. I knew that was gonna break. Everybody says it does, and it's like no fail. I mean, the car has 107,000 miles on it, so I'm sure that's kind of old. Yeah, we're gonna have to get one of those oil catch cans. I hear they do a pretty good job too. Those are a cheap little fix to get an oil catch can installed. I might have my buddy install one. I might see if he'll get one installed too while he's gonna replace that. So I might not be able to film that. Might be able to film it when it's finished though. Let's pop the trunk. See if I can grab this key. There it is. It's in the trunk. We got something else in here. Let's see if we can open this up. I don't know if you guys can see them, but a little shiny. Looks like some down pipes in there, boys and girls. Get some hardware right there. I think we got to use the stock clamps, because I don't think the clamps are in here. I don't think they put any clamps in this one. These are no-name brands. So just ones that I did with a company that builds a lot of exhaust for me, and I'm trying to do my own little exhaust thing. So that'll get installed here shortly. So we're gonna knock that out, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned. And if you got one of these cars, don't forget to change that. Don't forget to change this under the hood before you tune it, or else it's gonna fail out and pop like mine did. It sure enough did. It popped like a balloon as soon as I took off. So stay tuned, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.